Experience the ultimate in shower luxury with our high-pressure rain shower head combo, designed to transform your daily routine. Discover unparalleled versatility with 10 distinct spray modes, offering everything from a gentle mist to an invigorating massage. Effortlessly switch between modes and enjoy a truly personalized showering experience, tailored to your every mood. Our innovative magnetic docking system ensures your handheld shower head snaps securely and smoothly into place every time. Witness the dramatic improvement in water pressure, transforming your shower from ordinary to extraordinary. Utilize the powerful jets for targeted cleaning, effortlessly removing soap scum from tiles or even washing your pets with ease. Every detail is crafted for perfection, from anti-clog nozzles to an easy clean design, ensuring lasting performance and pristine appearance. Immerse yourself in the luxurious rainfall experience, enveloping you in a soothing cascade of water. Elevate your bathroom to a sanctuary of comfort and style with the high-pressure rain shower head combo. Upgrade your daily ritual and discover the difference premium design and powerful performance can make.